what exactly crap is right now happening in the whole world, and every single country, ministers and famous influencers are now rugging their own communities, their own people who believe them live in front of everyone. And what Trump showed you dreams of, I don't think that will happen at all in real life. And what exactly Trump did just after he became the president, I'll discuss everything, and let's get straight to the point. Just after Trump became the president, 47th president of US, and he signed a couple of bills. First of all, the main one is that he freezed the federal hiring. This means that no more federal agents and any type of hiring is now stopped in federal. So this is very bad. You know why he is doing it? So that no more new people can join in, and he can take control of the federal administration right now and can just pass on the bills and do corrupt things easily. And also the companies that are supporting him and donating, so-called donating or bribing him, can take advantage of this stuff. So this is very bad. And also one more thing that I did not understand, that okay, Elon Musk supported Trump at the time of elections, when the elections were happening, but why Elon Musk right now is pretending to be the president of United States? If you check his Twitter, he's posting in the type that he is the president, and people are also believing that he is the president. Also, Elon Musk was present at the time when Donald Trump was becoming the president, the inauguration speech, and he also gave a speech, Elon Musk. So I mean, he's just a narcissist and egoistic person who believes that he is the president of United States because he bribed a lot to Trump, and he's taking decisions of United States. For sure he is taking decision, and no one is talking about, like, how is this even possible that a businessman is doing such things right now. And here now comes the most interesting part, or I say the starting of the doom of America and the whole world, especially the crypto market. Just after Trump launched his own meme coin and scammed his community, and just after Melania Trump also launched her own coin and scammed her own community, Mark Cuban, a billionaire, said that I will be launching my own meme coin too, with a twist that the revenue he gets from the sale will go to the US Treasury. First of all, what type of revenue is he talking about? There is no sale of coin. It is a fair launch for everyone. So what type of sale is he talking about? Is he talking about the fee he will be collecting from that coin, or the money that he will dump on the people and most of it he will put it in his bags? Or what type of sale is he trying to say right now? It's literally like shady. No one knows about crypto. They all know that just launch a meme coin, share it with your community, and then dump on them. This is the actual reality right now happening, and this is, I mean, just ridiculous, because Trump, the president of United States, launched his own meme coin and now no one is talking about it. He scammed everyone, including, and Melania Trump herself launched her own meme coin and no one is talking about it. Trump did not even mention crypto at all in his inauguration speech yesterday. So you know where this is stuff going, and this is just the starting. Just see how regulated crypto will become, and the whole point of crypto will be worthless, and only insiders and big companies that bribe Trump and Elon Musk will benefit from this. Not only this, but the country Cuba, they themselves made a meme coin to rug the people. Can you imagine? A country, Cuba, is now scamming their own people. They said they have launched their own coin on Solana, and they posted a CA also, the contract address. And guess what happened? People bought it because they are lazy losers, they are greedy, and they are just morons. They bought it in the hope that someone else more idiot than them will buy at a higher price and they will make money, and just basically like get rich quick scheme full of greediness. And guess what happened? Cuba dumped all of the tokens on their people in just one red candle. I mean, you gotta look at the charts. This is the contract address. Don't buy or don't, I mean, interfere with the coin, I would say. No financial advice, but do have a look at the chart, like the movement that was happened in that chart, and no one is talking about it, that Cuba, the country, rugged their own people. And obviously now America will also won't say anything because their own president is now scamming people. So what can you expect? Brian Fournier, you can clearly see he's an American activist and co-founder and national chairman of the American Youth Group Students for Trump. And you know how this will end. Trump launched his meme coin, scammed people, then why will he be behind? So guess what happened? Right now you can clearly see, just few hours ago he himself launched a own scam meme coin which he called the TikTok coin is released, and he named that coin as official TikTok coin and made that coin on pump.fun. Guess what happened? He literally just dumped on the people, and his behavior clearly replicates a behavior of a child. You know, when a child makes a lot of money in crypto, he starts taking screenshot of his wallet and starts posting it on social media and comments that God is great, I'm very happy, I did it, this and that. Same thing he did. I'll show you the screenshot of his tweet right now because he already deleted his tweet. He's a scammer. And look what the community note says here: this shit was rug pulled and most lost their money. This is the reality. Most will lose their money. It is all a rug pull, and this is the reality of his own coin that he scammed, and now no one is talking about it. Many celebrities launch their meme coin and dumb people buy it, and they dump on them, they make money, and they delete the tweet like nothing happened at all. So this is the new way of scamming and rugging people. This is what crypto is being used for. Getting money transfer from all around the world to your own coin is now becoming easier. This is what crypto was made for. Web3, decentralization. Yes, this is what it is, the reality. Here is the tweet right over here. I hope you can see. He himself tweeted this out. He was up $20 million. You can clearly see, like, this money literally represents the amount of supply he was holding of his coin. Most of the supply he was holding himself, the scam coin, and the rest, few percent of the supply, people were struggling to get in. People were putting their hard-earned money in that. Same as Trump, as he holds the 80% supply, by the way. And as soon as he made $20 million, look what he's saying. Good God. I hope you can see the quality is bad. You can just search on the internet and see. I told you this behavior is like of a child. And you know what he did after that? This is what he did after that. And he rugged his own community, dumped all of his coins in just one go. 99% of the people lost their money, and this is the reality. And when people accused him of rugging and scamming, see what he said: I am very new to crypto and I promise you I didn't rug it. So he is promising that he didn't rug it. He's promising that he didn't sold his coins at all. But everyone knows his own wallet is on chain. This is where blockchain comes in. We can clearly see all his transactions on the blockchain, and obviously we know that he sold all his coins and he's just lying right now. And this guy said, we see your wallet and it's all on chain. And when he realized that, oh shit, I just made a big lie, and then guess what he's saying: I literally sold because it was going down increasingly. I don't know who wouldn't do it. So basically just like a child behavior. And like, what a stupid, I would say, statement he's giving right now, that I sold it because it was going down, so I dumped. I don't care about people at all. I just launched a fake meme coin and I will make 20 million of it and post it screenshot. And so now you see the harsh reality of crypto. And CoffeeZilla here says that promoting coin on social media, immediately sell, I didn't rug. Okay, I sold, but I don't know who wouldn't. Welcome to crypto in 2025. It's all about Donald Trump. I'll be honest with you guys, Joe Biden was far better because he did not take bribe from his from the companies or from the people. He did not launch his fake NFTs. He did not launch his own fake meme coin because he's not a corrupt businessman, or he's not a corrupt person, at least Joe Biden. Trump is a full corrupt businessman. His main motive is to make money. He don't care if how he's making money. He has to just make money, and yeah, this is the reality. And many crypto companies are paying Trump right now, and as more they pay, the more these companies can scam out of you. So yes guys, this is the reality of crypto. Be aware and do not put your hard-earned money in crypto, because now everyone will scam. So just stay aware. I thought just make this video to keep you aware of what is happening right now, and don't be greedy at all, and hard work and just follow your goals to become rich, rather than getting rich quick schemes, applying that in your life. Do not do that. And yeah, this is just a awareness video. I hope you understand it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.